everyone, welcome back to my channel. My friends, I've missed you. I'm so happy to be back. We are going to be doing this beautiful blue look. I mean, is it giving or is it giving, baby? Tell me because it's giving for me. We're going to be using my Avatar ColourPop eyeshadow palette, and we're going to be using my Revolution Corpse Bride collection eyeshadow palette in this look. Disclaimer, this video is a little bit wonky and I look a little uncomfortable in the video because I am trying out some new things, and I'm sorry if I look awkward and if things look like out of place and stuff like that. I'm trying to adjust things, so yeah, you'll see what I'm talking about. So anyways, if you want to see how I created this beautiful look, just continue watching. And you know, babies, if you like, subscribe, like, share, and I love you guys so much. All right guys, so we're going to do this beautiful look, and we're going to be using my Avatar Last Airbender with ColourPop collection, and we're also going to be using, I love this collection, and this is the Revolution Corpse Bride collection. I'm going to show you. It's a little messed up, but look at colors galore. Yes, so let's get to it real quick. You know what I'm saying? Look at this look at the blue. Are we living for it? And are we living for my sign? Are we living for my sign? Tell me. Tell me. All right, so we're gonna start off with base primer. We're gonna go in with white base. I got this on Amazon. I'll put a little bit on the back of my hand. And I've been loving this base lately. I'm gonna get some more, because this one's a white base. I want to get more of a neutral base and different colors. This is called Becky Sue. You can see that. I got it on Amazon. So I'm gonna take a brush like this, and then, where's my Mickey? Oh, I'm gonna take my Mickey. Boop. And we're gonna put this all over. How was everybody's Mother's Day? Whoever's a mother out there, I am gonna tell you that I had the best day. The best day. I woke up and I took a shower and I did nothing. And it was just beautiful. And I enjoyed it. And I hope that anyone else who's a mother out there, a caretaker, anything like that, I hope you all enjoyed your day, which mothers should be celebrated every single day, because this is a full-time job. So we're gonna pat. So now I'm gonna go in with my Makeup Revolution Corpse Bride collection, and we're gonna go in with this Enthusiasm right here, and we're going to take a small tapered brush. This is a crease brush. This is from the brand Jessup. Found this brand and it is amazing. So we're going to apply this color right here at the end of the eye. It doesn't have to be perfect. Do you see the pigment? I mean, Makeup Revolution, I love them. Okay, and so now I'm gonna go in with this blue color right here to lighter color. Let me show you. And this one is called Emily. And I'm going to take this small eye blender brush from Jessup, and I'm gonna put that right next to that one on both sides, and then I'm gonna blend up. Then I'm going to take actually a fluffier brush like this one, also Jessup collection. It's a crease brush, and I'm gonna go in with this light blue, and this one is not mine, right here. And then I'm just gonna kind of blend those colors in. That harsh line, and just bring it up. It's okay if you make a mess because we're gonna cut that crease anyways. Till you have something like this. I'm going to take this shader brush. This is actually a cream shader brush from that Jessup collection as well. And now we're gonna go in with the Airbender ColourPop, the Avatar Airbender eyeshadow palette. And I'm gonna go in with Air Blast, which is this color right here. And I'm gonna take this brush, and then I'm just gonna put that in my brow bone. And that's also going to help blend whatever harsh line you might have closer to the brow bone. Like this. Now I'm gonna take a little bit more of that primer, put a little bit more on the back of my hand. And then I'm gonna take this little crease brush. I don't know what brand it is. It's a cheaper brand. Got it on Amazon. I love brushes like this. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut the crease, right? And we're gonna go, this time we're gonna go a little bit higher. I'm gonna pat that in. Till you have something like this. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with Ice Shield from the ColourPop Avatar, and it's this color right here. And I'm gonna go, where's my brush? I'm gonna go in with this Jessup Smudger brush, and I'm gonna add that right here to this outer corner right here, kind of where that dark blue ends. And I'm just gonna pat that on right there. Oh, these colors together are beautiful. And now I'm going to take the Sigma concealer brush, and I'm going to go in with Moon Spirit right here. And I'm gonna put that right where that other color ends. Put it all the way to the top. You're gonna leave this part open. So then we're gonna go in with this Water Tribe, this color right here. It's so beautiful. And I'm gonna go in with this shader brush, and I'm just gonna apply that in my corner right here, that open space. Like so. I'm gonna blend that one into a last one, and then I'm gonna take a little bit of that dark blue one and I'm gonna blend that in, make sure that everything looks nicely blended. Okay, my loves, so this is the final look. Let's take a moment and appreciate it. So throughout the video, you can tell I'm a little awkward, and that is because me and my husband are trying like a different way on placing my camera, the placement of my camera, so that you can see my sign in the back, and I have my screen over here on my left hand side to like see myself, and it's just not giving. So I told my husband, I was like, we need to figure this out because I cannot. I feel awkward, I feel uncomfortable. I think throughout the video you can tell that I'm a little uncomfortable, but I am trying new things because I definitely want my sign for you guys to see, Cheska MUA. So we're gonna put a mirror. We're gonna figure it out. We're gonna figure it out. However, back to the look. Yesterday was Mother's Day. Back to the look. Now, yesterday was Mother's Day. My ADD and my ADHD just boop. Yesterday was Mother's Day. I received this beautiful necklace from my mother. She has the exact same one, and so does my sister. Mine is rose gold, and my sister and my mother's is silver. And then as you can see, I have a pink gaming chair, and that is from my children for Mother's Day. And then my husband, who is the best husband in the whole wide world, did purchase some other stuff for me that is on its way, and I can't believe it. I'm just so grateful and so excited. I am uploading another video. This video that's going to be uploaded is going to be a little personal. And this is a video that I've been wanting to post for a while. And this, it's going to be lengthy. I don't know. We'll see. Regardless, that's going to be another video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I did use my ColourPop Avatar eyeshadow, and I used my Revolution. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. And I used my Revolution. This is the Corpse Bride collection. It's just, look at the colors. Look at these colors. So I did use these two palettes in this video. But anyways, I love you guys so much. I took the week off to kind of get myself situated, to organize myself. My husband was finishing downstairs. He was getting my chair ready, and I just needed a mental health week. And now I'm back and I'm ready to get this shit going. My 1K subscriber giveaway did receive her gift, so I'm super excited. I'm really happy that she enjoyed it. I did my nails. Yes, I'm just like, we just gotta get it. I've been going to my therapy sessions. And I love you. I'm gonna fix the whole thing of how I'm gonna handle my camera and how it's gonna be. I know it's been a little bit of a crazy kind of adjustment because I've been putting it this way, I've been putting it that way. It's just been a little bit crazy. Just bear with me. Okay, bear with me. I love you guys so much, and if you enjoy, you know what to do. Subscribe, like, share, and there's more videos. There's gonna be another video coming up, and like I said, it's gonna be of a more intimate video, and I have a haul coming up. I'm so excited, and that's a big thing for me because I'm, you know, whatever. Anyways, love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.